Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Riddle, Oregon, and home of the Roseburg Forest Products Company. Founded in 1936 in an area known as the timber capital of the world, Roseburg has always had a passion for wood in their spirit and their legacy, where 15,000 acres of sustainably managed timberland has turned into 600,000 acres today. Roseburg continues to imagine and reimagine how trees and responsibly manufactured forest products can make lives better from the ground up for their customers, their team members, and the communities they all call home. This family-owned company has been providing high-quality wood products for nearly 90 years. And every year, Roseburg plants more trees than they harvest to ensure sustainable working forests. From vast timberlands to manufacturing and into the hands of their customers, Roseburg's vertically integrated approach ensures they are well positioned to meet the demands of the marketplace today and tomorrow. Today we're visiting a facility that produces softwood and hardwood plywood, an engineered wood product constructed of multiple layers of thin veneers that are cross-laminated and bonded together to form an incredibly strong multifunctional panel. Thousands of variations including wood species, veneer grades, and type of face and back material create combinations intended for a variety of interior and exterior applications like cabinetry, sheathing, underlayment, siding, and furniture parts. Roseburg's exceptional products, dedicated owners and team members build on nearly a century of innovative thinking, responsible forestry, and high-tech manufacturing here in North America, where they are proud to grow the trees that enable them to manufacture durable building products for use in homes and communities right here. Visit them at roseburg.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.